Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to give you a review of this new broccoli seed in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we check the base value of this broccoli, I'm going to show you how you can get the broccoli seed. So guys, you can go to the seed shop and then you need to unlock tier 2. You can feed the NPC with the food you have cooked up and then you can unlock this tier 2. And you can buy the broccoli seed with the garden coins, and to get the garden coins you need to assign your garden. You can go to the garden ascension here, and then you need at least 1 trillion shekels to ascend your garden. And after you ascend your garden you can get 10 garden coins. You can talk to the NPC and then you can click on I want to ascend. And then this is my third ascension, so I need 5 trillion shekels. And then I'm going to show you how the broccoli crop looks like. Okay, and this is the broccoli, this one guys. And it's a multi-harvest crop, so you can harvest it multiple times. And then I'm going to check the value of this broccoli. And yeah, not bad. The best value is around 100k shekels. I think it's worth, guys. And the crop is beautiful. But to get this broccoli, you need to ascend your garden to get the garden coins. Okay, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.